And you know, a lot of times when you're building any kind of project like this, the only successful ones are the ones that start off with a good set of blueprints. But many times homeowners have a little difficulty really figuring out what the blueprints mean.
I've actually seen courses offered on the internet on how to read blueprints, and as a homeowner you can go to that extent, but let me share with you three things that I think are really important to understand. First of all is the scale. Almost every residential plan is drawn to 1/4 inch scale, which means for 1/4 of an inch on your blueprint, that's going to be equal to 1 foot on the job site. Second, your window designation. The 4 numbers that you see beside a window will indicate the width and the height in feet and inches. For example, here on today's edition, we have our casement windows. We have 2 of them, that's that 2-. 2640, that means it's 2 foot 6 inches wide by 4 foot high. Finally, it's always good to understand your utilities. Now here's another blueprint that actually has the utilities drawn out on it, and even if you don't understand where all the lights and the ceiling fans and the plugs and what they are, right beside your plan you should have a symbol legend, which makes it a lot easier to understand.